In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment gateway in Webflow 2026 tutorial. Let's get started right inside your Webflow account. Open the project where you want to accept payments. It's best to do this in the designer so you can access all the settings. If you're working on a live site, consider duplicating your project first so you can set things up without affecting customers. Then move those settings to your main site when you're confident everything looks good. Once your project is open, head to the left sidebar and click on CMS. This brings you into the workspace where your collections and store setup live. Don't worry, you're not changing your content here. You're just navigating to the area that holds your shop configuration. From here, click on e-commerce. This opens the e-commerce settings panel, which is where you'll manage products, checkout, taxes, shipping, and of course, payments. If you're here for the first time, Webflow may guide you through a short setup flow before you can connect a gateway. Next, select Add Payment Provider. This is the entry point for connecting a gateway like Stripe or PayPal, depending on what's available in your region and what works best for your business. If you serve customers internationally, consider a provider that supports multiple currencies and local payment methods. Click Continue. Webflow will confirm a few prerequisites and take you to the required store information form. This part is important. You must add your basic store details before any payment method can be connected. Fill in your store name, business address, country or region, and default currency. Make sure these match your official business documents to avoid verification issues later. Choosing the correct currency now is key because changing it after you've started accepting orders can be complex. If you see options related to tax settings or legal details, complete them accurately according to your location and regulations. These fields help your payment provider verify your business and keep checkout compliant. Before you submit, double-check spelling, your business location, and currency selection. If you plan to run test transactions later, remember that most gateways offer a safe testing mode. You can turn that on after the initial connection. Also, avoid entering any real financial data on a shared screen while you're recording or presenting. Once your basic store information is saved, Webflow unlocks the ability to add a payment method. At this point, you can choose your provider and follow the on-screen prompts to connect your account and finalize the gateway. That's the foundation you need to start accepting payments confidently. Great job getting your payment setup underway. Congratulations.